Thank you, Ted. COVID-19 testing capacity in Rhode Island continues to improve each day. And today, the mayors of Pawtucket and Central Falls unveiled the state's newest testing site.
Eyewitness News reporter Logan Wilbur explains how this site will serve the neighboring communities.
This new testing site at the old Memorial Hospital will be specifically for Central Falls and Pawtucket residents. The two mayors I spoke with of the towns tell me the goal of this site is to improve testing and care for the underserved communities and minorities. A new testing site will provide up to 200 drive-through and walk-through tests per day at Memorial Hospital in Pawtucket, focusing on vulnerable residents in the area.
Pawtucket and Central Falls are two very dense communities, two very diverse communities.
There are better than 20% collectively of Cape Verdean and Colombian folks here in Pawtucket, better than 20% of our population, and they need to get serviced.
For us to be able to test people, guide people to quarantine, and be able to support families is critical at this time.
According to the Department of Health, nearly half of COVID-19 cases in the state are from the Latino community, with 2010 census data showing a quarter of Pawtucket residents and 2/3 of Central Falls residents are Latino. Both mayors say the testing must continue to improve.
I think we need more, but I think this is a big step.
Mayor Diosa and myself have had conversations with Dr. Scott and other members of the Department of Health, and clearly we think the need's going to be greater.
Along with drive-up and walk-up testing, the site will provide the two communities with other much-needed resources.
And where the other tents are, it's a respiratory unit, and that's really intended for people who are having respiratory symptoms and need to be seen and evaluated by a provider. We can assess them for flu, strep, COVID, and basically treat them, and give them a prescription for whatever it is that they may need.
Now, the mayors say to get the word out about these testing sites, they will have a call center and robocalls being placed in 5 different languages to residents to let them know this testing site is available to them. Reporting in Pawtucket, Logan Wilbur, Eyewitness News.